Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2023 Nautique S23. So the S23 comes in at 21 feet, 23, and 25. So we're going to go through the 23 today. We'll start with the outside here. So up at the bow, we have the Admiral Blue metal flake here. We do have a black bottom. And then I come across the side here, we have the white. And then we come back to the Admiral Blue on the side here as well. So a lot of good colors, white, blue, and black. Looks really good together. As we come back to the swim platform, got a nice big swim platform with sea deck up on top. We got cup holders, we got a grab handle. Really nice swim platform here. We got the NSS system, so Nautique Surf System. This is where you can have adjustable 1 through 10 based on how you want to surf. So that NSS system will work in conjunction with the NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running Surface, and that just completes the running surface of the boat, and that adjusts with your NSS when you're surfing. It also adjusts when you're driving, it adjusts when you're doing wakeboarding, and it just helps automatically with the boat in certain situations as well. So that's kind of nice to have. We do have the surf pipe right here, so all the emissions from the boat go down into the prop stream and bubble up way behind you and not back in your face. And then this one we did equip with the optioned steer assist, so able to control the boat in a 360, be able to back up in a straight line. It's very helpful, especially when they're full of ballast and the boat's really heavy. So that is a nice option to have. So ton of different options on the interior. Let's go take a look and see. All right, welcome to the interior. We'll take a look at the colors real quick. And kind of like we had on the outside, we have the blue. We bring that into the inside with some accent coloring. This is the Admiral Blue on the interior. There is some black mixed in, and then obviously we got the nice white around it as well. So good accents in here. We got some nice big storage that comes underneath here. We got subfloor ballast. This particular boat, we did add the extra plug and play up on top for those days that you need a little bit more weight. And then, as in all Nautiques, we got the nice sea decking coming through right into the boat. And then with the S23, you do have the option for the nice bench seat. And then we can also configure, have this come up and have that seat come up. So everybody's surfing, wakeboarding, all the water sports back this way, everybody's kind of able to look back this way and enjoy the show. And then these seats get put down. Then up on the tower, we got the option of the strapless board racks. So I'll just put your board in there, lift this up, locks right into there. Really easy to use. Up on the tower, we have the 8.8-inch JL drivers with down lighting on those. We did option this also with the bimini. So the boot comes off, and it's got a wing on this side that opens up and a wing on that side. You got a lock here and a lock here. Super simple. And then you also have surfboard storage up on top of the bimini as well. So as you step into the boat, you'll see the lighting on all the cup holders here. That lighting can change to pretty much any lighting you want, or you could keep it the blue if you'd like that, but plenty of cup holders, USBs, 12 volts, everything in here you need to take care of all your riders and all your friends. So we got storage underneath this seat right here. And then in the glove box right here, we got some nice deep storage. I also have 2 wireless chargers for your phone, so side by side, nice easy place to put the phone and keep that thing charged all day. And then up at the helm, love the Nautique helm seat. Obviously it's got a nice big backrest, and it's got a nice cutout here right for your leg, easy in, easy out. It does have a bolster seat if you do want to get up above the windshield. And then beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with the Nautique logo. Really easy to drive, feels really good in your hand. We got a nice place here for your tea drain, your phone holder as well. And then over here, we have our information center. So we have our 12.4-inch link pen array screen, and then I'm able to control that over here, or you can just touch the screen. Pretty easy to use. Set up riders, set up surfers, set up wakeboarders. Easy to put it all right there at the touch of your hands. It's really, really ergonomically nice up there. So as we come to the bow, the redesign of the S series kind of makes more of that pointed bow with this. So we've got some nice seating here. I would say 2 to 3 people. You can get the bow filler cushion for this boat as well. We do have the cup holders again. We've got JL audio speakers up here. We do have some 12-volt and some USBs as well. So this boat's amazing as far as surfing goes. Nice big wave, fun to drive. This boat is here at our Rogers location. Again, S23 from Nautique. If you want to come take a look at this boat, you can just stop on by our Rogers location or give us a call to set up an appointment. Love to show you around. And as always, click the like button on this video and also click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.